Hi, this is Marty from Blue Lightning TV. I'm going to show you how to easily create this Valentine image that you can customize with your own text. Create a new document by going to File and New. Make the width 1550 pixels, the height 870 pixels, and the resolution 150 pixels per inch. Then click OK or press Enter or Return. Go to Filter, Pixelate, and Pointillize. Make the cell size 32, and then click OK or press Enter or Return. Click the New Layer icon to make a new layer. Open your Custom Shape tool and choose Pixels. If you're working on version CS5 or earlier, the Pixels icon is here. Click on the Shapes icon. If you don't see the heart, click on the gear icon to open your list of shape presets. Click Reset Shapes and click OK. Then click the heart card symbol. Click the gear icon and tick Define Proportions and check From Center. Go to the center of your document and drag out the heart to approximately this size. Don't be concerned if it's not perfectly centered. We'll take care of that in a minute. Double-click on the heart in Layer 1 to open its layer style window. Click Gradient Overlay and make the angle 90 degrees. Click the gradient bar. Click the lower left stop and the color box. Type in FF and 4 zeros. Then click OK or press Enter or Return. Click the lower right stop, the color box, and type in FF00E4. Then click OK or press Enter or Return on both the color picker and the gradient editor. Click Inner Glow. Change the blend mode to normal and the opacity 23%. Click the color box and pick black. Make the choke 20% and the size 60 pixels. The technique is softer and the source is edge. Click Bevel and Emboss. The style is inner bevel and the technique is chisel hard. The depth is 100% and the direction is up. The size is 2 pixels and we'll soften it 16 pixels. Uncheck Global Light. Make the angle 90 degrees and the altitude 37 degrees. Change the highlight mode to Color Dodge and make the opacity 100%. Repeat this for the shadow mode. Click on the Shadows color box and pick white. Check Contour and click Outer Glow. Change the blend mode to normal and the opacity 50%. Click the color box and type in 55D5FF. The blend mode is normal and the opacity 50%. Make the spread 100% and the size 16 pixels. Then click OK. To center it on your document, open your Move tool, press Ctrl or Command A, and then click the Align Horizontal Centers icon. To delete the selection, press Ctrl or Command D. Next, we'll add the arrow. Click off the eyeball of the heart layer to hide it, and click on the thumbnail of the background to make it active. Click on the New Layer icon to make a new layer. Click the foreground color to open the color picker, and type in FF00FF. Open your Custom Shape tool and open the shape symbols. Click on the gear icon and click Arrows. Click OK to replace the existing icons with the arrow icons. Click the gear icon again and choose Large List. Click Arrow 4 and click the gear icon at the top. Tick Unconstrained and uncheck From Center. Go to the left of your document and drag out an arrow approximately this size and shape. Control-click or Command-click on the thumbnail of the arrow to make a selection of its shape. Open your rectangular marquee tool, go above and to the right of the arrow, and press and hold Alt or Option as you drag a rectangle across the middle. This deletes the selection that covered the top half of the arrow. Click on the foreground color and type in D008D0. Press Alt or Option plus Delete to fill the selection with this color. Then delete the selection. Make a copy of the arrow by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Press V to open your Move tool, and press and hold Shift as you drag the arrow copy to the right edge of your document. Pressing and holding Shift keeps it aligned with the original. Press M to open your rectangular marquee tool, and drag a rectangle just over the arrow's feather shape. Press the Delete key to delete the shape inside the selection. Then delete the selection. Make the other arrow active. Go above the top right of the left arrow and drag a selection just over the arrow head. Press Delete and then delete the selection. Make the heart layer visible. Next, we'll angle the arrows. Shift-click on the thumbnail of the top arrow to highlight both arrows, and press Ctrl or Command T to open your Transform tool. Go above the transform, and when you see a curved double arrow, rotate it counterclockwise. To reposition it, click inside the transform and move it. Then press Enter or Return. Next, we'll add the text. Make the top layer active and open your horizontal type tool. Pick a font. If you'd like to use the font Scriptina, which I'll be using for this example, its link is located in the video description or project files. I'll make its size 110 points, sharp, and center alignment. Click on the color box and pick white. Then click OK. Type out your text. To reposition it, open your Move tool and move it. To angle it, open your Transform tool and rotate it counterclockwise. Position it so it fits comfortably on the heart. Click on the FX icon and click Drop Shadow. The blend mode is Multiply, and make the opacity 50%. Make the distance 14 pixels and the size 10 pixels. Then click OK. This is Marty from Blue Lightning TV. Thanks for watching.